What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got some high limit Happy Lantern. Sorry about that. We'll start up with $5 a spin, see if we can do anything. Let's take a look real quick. You have a major that's at 50,000. Sorry, a grand at 50,000, and a major at $6,647. Looking for 3 of those little dragon faces or 6 of the lanterns. Start off the bonus, see if we can do anything. Playing here, 3 more. Nope. Ooh, minor was in there. Playing here at Harrahs, SoCal. Ooh, some big numbers dropping though. Come on. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day and night wherever you might be. Trying to stay lucky here. Come on, let's get a bonus. There we go. Just as I say it, what do you know? Yeah, we just needed to pay us. Alright, we're going left. Hold and spin. Oh, the worst possible one. The worst one, guys. Not expecting much. But you never know. You never know. Yeah. Alright, $13, I think. Maybe less than that. Come on. One more. Go up to $10 a spin. Bonus. Change up, go 25 cent to nom. Let's go $12.50 a spin. Two more. Nope. Two more. No. Three more. Oh, dirty. Come on. All right, some line hits. Come on, bonus. I need a bonus. Back down to 10 cent, $5 a spin. Happy Lantern. Come on, bonus. Wake up. Getting nothing. One more. Ay, ay, ay. Nothing, guys. You know what? Let's cash out. Not liking this one. Give us a crap bonus. Crap bonus. Never a good thing when you get a crap bonus. Let's see what these are at. Let's play some high stakes. How about that? sit down, play some high stakes. Volume's all the way up. All right, come on, chips. All the way. $0.25 denom. Let's do a couple of these spins. Oh, come on, briefcase. No. Line hit. Need it to wake up. Guys, where's the bonuses? 3 more. 3 more. Aye, aye, aye. 2 more, 3 more. 3 more, 1 more. Haha, dirty. Dirty, guys. Come on. Need something good in my life. Like a bonus. It's nothing. Cases. Ladies. All sorts of things. Come on. Where's the bonus at, guys? No, nothing. I don't know, guys. This high limit room is not working out for me right now. All the way. Alright, something back. Oh, look at those big numbers right there. One more. Two more. It's not working out at all for me here, guys. $20. Okay. Come on. Just keep giving me something. 3 more. Nope. 2 more. Ah. All the way. There we go. Finally, guys, we got a bonus. Nice $100 chip in there too. Alright, just so you guys can see. 72,000 for that major, or for the grand. 5,766. Nice. For the major. Drop something good. Oh, save us. Save it. Oh, that's gonna be it. Alright, $170. Take that and keep on going. Back to back, back to back. Oh. One more. Teasing us. One more. Aye, let's go to 10. Why? Because I feel like it. Will it pay off? We'll see. Come on. 3 more. 2 more. Oh. Now let's go back to 5. It's gonna give us the bonus right away, watch. 2 more. So close. Come on, bonus. What do you guys think? Let's go 50 cent denom. Couple spins, 50 cent denom. Maybe we'll get lucky. Come on. Three more. Oh. 3 more. Really? No luck. No luck there. Two more. I think it was baiting me into betting higher, guys, with the briefcases. Kept showing me 2 briefcases. I think it was just baiting us. Oh, dirty. 2 more. 2 more. Yeah. Cars. Where's the bonus? Bonus. 3 more. No. We were baited, guys. We were baited into betting more. Alright, couple more spins and we're calling it. 3 more. Oh, so wrong. Alright, guys, that's going to be it. Thanks so much for watching.